Safe nga ba mag-save ng money sa Pag-ibig MP2? In today's video, i-share ko ang experience ko at mga natutunan ko about Pag-ibig MP2. At i-share ko rin ang actual na kinita ng 200,000 pesos ko sa MP2 after 3 years at ang aking review about Pag-ibig MP2. So, ano nga ba ang Modified Pag-ibig MP2 or MP2 Savings? Ang MP2 is a special voluntary savings facility with a 5-year maturity. So, it was designed for Pag-ibig Fund members na gustong mag-save ng money while earning higher dividends in addition to their regular Pag-ibig savings. So, what are the key features of MP2 savings? So, una-una, it's easy to save. So, members can save for a minimum of 500 pesos only per remittance. And you can also earn higher dividends than regular savings or time deposit accounts. And dividends are tax-free kasi 5-year ang maturity ng MP2 savings. And pwede mo ring i-withdraw yung dividend annually or after the 5-year maturity. And the last one is MP2 savings are government guaranteed. So how much yung dividends na makukuha sa MP2 savings? So ito ang historical dividend rate since 2011. So as you can see from the chart, so mataas ang dividend from 2016 to 2019, so above 7%. So bumaba nung 2020 and 2021, so maybe due to the pandemic and other factors. But compared with stocks nung 2020 and 2021, so higher ang return ng MP2 kasi bumagsak ang stocks nung 2020 until 2021. 2022 and until now, hindi pa masyadong nakaka-recover. Where does Pag-ibig Fund invest the money? Pag-ibig Fund invests at least 70% of its investable funds in housing finance. And it also invests in government securities and corporate bonds. So, ang MP2 Savings is open to active Pag-ibig Fund members. So, when you say active, ito yung members with at least 1 monthly savings contribution within the last 6 months. Ngayon, kung wala ka pang regular Pag-ibig Fund account, pwede ka mag-apply sa any Pag-ibig branch na malapit sa'yo. So, pwede ka rin mag-apply online which is more convenient kasi you can do it sa virtual Pag-ibig website. Okay, so Google mo lang yung virtual Pag-ibig tapos makikita mo ito. And then, click mo lang itong register. So, under Be a Member. And then, click Continue. So, fill up mo lang yung form and then you can submit it online. And then, once na mabigyan ka na ng Pag-ibig Membership ID or MID number, so pwede ka na mag-start maghulog ng monthly savings mo sa regular Pag-ibig savings account. Kasi kailangan mo yung MID number pag naghulog ka ng savings mo. So, minimum is 100 pesos. How to open an MP2 savings account? So, you can open an MP2 savings account online, so safely and conveniently, so via virtual Pag-ibig. Pwede ka rin mag-open ng MP2 savings account at any Pag-ibig Fund branch na malapit sa'yo. And then, once you are issued an MP2 savings account number, so you can already start saving. So, ang minimum sa MP2 is 500 pesos per remittance. So, how to save in the MP2 savings? So, if you are employed, so you can save through salary deduction. You can also do it online. Pwede kang magbayad sa virtual Pag-ibig website using your Maya e-wallet, GCash e-wallet, or any debit or credit card na powered by Visa, MasterCard, or JCB. Pwede ka rin magbayad through authorized online payment channels gaya ng GCash, PayMaya, or Maya Now, Coins, and management app. And then, pwede rin over-the-counter remittance. So, may mga authorized na collecting partners. So, gaya ng SM Business Centers, M. Luwilier, AUB, Robinsons Bank, Coconut Planters Bank. At kung ikaw naman ay isang OFW, so pwede din through iRemit powered merchants. And pwede din sa mga EasyPay accredited merchants gaya ng PNB and Asia United Bank. Okay, and then you can view your MP2 savings online so via Virtual Pag-ibig. So, kailangan mo lang mag-create ng Virtual Pag-ibig account para ma-view mo yung MP2 savings mo, so including yung annual dividends na nakuha mo. And then, eto good news, so meron na rin pala silang Virtual Pag-ibig mobile app. So, na-introduce lang ito nung December. So, pwede mo ring i-view yung savings mo at yung dividends mo sa mobile app. And then, how to claim MP2 savings. So, there are two options. So, you can receive your dividends via the following options. So, yung una, upon full withdrawal of your MP2 savings after its 5-year maturity period, kasama na ang iyong MP2 savings dividends na compounded annually. The second option is through annual payout. So, with your MP2 savings dividends credited to your savings or checking account na in-enroll mo nung nag-apply ka ng MP2 savings account. So, you can save as much as you want under MP2. Pero if you make a one-time savings that exceeds 500,000 pesos, you will be required to make remittance via personal or manager's check. And then, kung gusto mong mag-save above 100,000 pesos, requirement is yung proof of income or source of fund. Pag nag-mature yung MP2 savings mo after 5 years, kailangan mo siyang i-withdraw. So, what will happen to my MP2 savings if it is not claimed after it matures? So, MP2 savings which are unclaimed after its 5-year maturity will stop earning dividends under the MP2 savings rate. Pero it will continue to earn dividends based on the dividend rate of the Pag-ibig regular savings for the next 2 years. So, which is actually lower versus yung dividends sa MP2. So, after 2 years, it will stop earning dividends. So, can I withdraw my MP2 savings before its 5-year maturity? So, the answer is yes. So, you may pre-terminate and withdraw your MP2 savings prior to its 5-year maturity. So, kailangan lang ma-meet yung mga conditions. And then, pero yun lang, 50% of the total dividends earned lang yung makukuha mo, plus yung total MP2 savings mo. Nag-decide ako na maglagay ng one time lang, so 200,000 pesos. Nag-issue lang ako ng personal check. So, yung 200,000 pesos ko na pinasok ng 2019, so kumita ng 33,880 pesos after 3 years. Positive naman yung nag-i-experience ko kasi mabilis lang silang mag-reply and mabilis lang yung processing ng aking withdrawal. So, ito yung dividend ng 200,000 pesos ko ng 2019. So, from May to December, so naka-earn na siya ng 9,640. And then, 2020, 2021, and then, noong 2022, so nakuha ko yung total dividend na 33,880 pesos after 3 years. Good news, so now, pwede na nating i-claim ang MP2 savings after its 5-year maturity online, so via the Virtual Pag-ibig. So, mas pinadali na siya. Pero meron pa rin namang option to claim doon sa any Pag-ibig fund na branch. Pero syempre, mas convenient kung i-claim na lang online. So, which is a big improvement. So, mas pinadali na nila. To claim your MP2 savings, so punta lang dito sa Virtual Pag-ibig website. And then, ito yung mga requirements to claim. So, claim application form, one valid ID, cash card if you have the Loyalty Card Plus, and selfie photo. Download lang yung claim application form. So, this is how the claim application form looks like. Okay, so fill out lang to. So, meron din silang application form guide. So, check natin yung application form guide. Yay! And then one valid ID. So photocopy or scanned copy of one of your valid identification ID cards. And then cash card, so your loyalty card plus if you have one. And then selfie photo showing your ID card and cash card. So ito yung sample. And then click natin tong proceed. So tingnan natin. Okay, so need to validate your account. So ipapasok yung MP2 account number at yung maturity and then validate. Okay? So safe nga ba mag-save ng money sa Pag-ibig MP2? Based on my own experience, so mukhang safe naman siya. And positive din yung experience ko nung nag-withdraw ako ng dividends ko. So mabilis lang yung processing. And mabilis lang din silang mag-reply sa email inquiry. Big improvement yung pinadali na nila yung pag-withdraw ng money upon maturity kasi pwede na siyang gawing online. And yes, I'm planning to open a new account